Hi, my name is Laura. I completed my undergraduate degree in social science psychology. From that foundation, I developed an interest in international development, human rights and sustainability, being all quite intrinsically linked, I think. I'm currently doing a Masters of International Development Practice with this unit as an elective. I will begin this video by explaining my chosen topic and the Indigenous Protected Areas project. I'll then elaborate on the different types of evidence used and the subsequent advantages and disadvantages of evidence-based practice. The topic I chose to discuss in this assignment is an experience of evidence-based practice in a professional organisation. Doing my undergraduate degree, I did an internship with Friends of the Earth Melbourne, who are an environmental justice NGO. I worked on a project called the River Country Campaign, which strive for Indigenous rights in land ownership and management and the protection of national parks and forests. The project aimed to raise awareness and change the laws surrounding traditional land ownership, as well as facilitate recognition for the environmental and social benefits of traditional techniques of sustainability. In this project, we used multidisciplinary forms of evidence. We used government-developed reports explaining the regulations of land ownership and management of national parks. We also used statistical data collected by private body corporations as well as government-funded research. This reported the quality and changes in the environment over a period of time and the different effects of different ownership and maintenance. Lastly, we conducted interviews with Indigenous community leaders and tried to contact the Minister of Environments as well. So what are the challenges and benefits of evidence-based practice? In this particular case, a large portion of evidence was target group values based, being the Indigenous people advocacy. This relied on personal anecdotal evidence. We critically used expertise provided by government research, which was found to be selective in information and sometimes strategically depicted. The challenge with evidence-based practice is potentially the vested weight of each element. In some instances, I think statistical evidence should outweigh the individual values. Environmental sustainability is definitely one of those areas where, despite the overwhelming body of research suggesting changes in environmental protection, individual gain seems to persevere. This was evident in the project where external research showed there were significant social and environmental advantages of Indigenous involvement in environmental management, but this was ignored by governing bodies. The benefit to this application would be the unbiased setting. Evidence-based practice gives a holistic depiction of an issue and its subsequent effects in multiple aspects.